Today, we will be exploring about margin pressure, raw material cost, wage hike will sustain beyond 2 to 3 quarters. It is the third quarter in a row where earning estimates were scaled down by the market. This quarter, we will see largest margin pressure and will decrease gradually. Because of large number of raw material prices are going up, the growth rate will coming down. Probably we will see price rise will normalize from here on. We will see a flattening out of price rises and hope things will get better. In IT space, wage hike and inflation is in the range of 9 to 11% this year, whereas last year it was 7 to 9%. This results in a huge attrition rates. Cognizant has reported as 44% attrition and it is 27% in Infosys. This attrition number might be slightly lower than what it actually is. In reality, I think the attrition numbers are higher than this. But wage hikes are not new to IT space. It will go in cycle. Sometimes there will be higher hikes and sometimes there will be lesser hikes. At the same time, Indian IT companies have started taking freshers in a very larger volumes. They are focusing on pyramid structure by recruiting lot more people at lower end. And the starting salaries of freshers have not changed meaningfully over last 10 to 15 years. There is a concern that significant demand destruction in many categories because of high inflation and slowdown. US home mortgage data shows because of steep rise in home loan rates, there was 10% fall in demand. Will the same kind of demand destruction happen in India? Is that the reason of profit booking in many categories and worry of valuation will fall? If we look at real estate space, aggregate prices are gone up to 13.9% as per company presentation. Obviously, that will pass on to buyers. In addition to that, interest rates are also inching up. Because of this scenario, in India, the affordable housing segment has not really worked well, but the premium segment is performing well. This 10 to 15% price rise will not going to change the opinion of a person who wants to buy premium flats or a house. We also need to oversee where people are spending on individual basis to understand what is happening. Marriages are lined up after nearly 2 years. People are started spending for those kind of events. They are spending on travel, they are spending on tourism, etc. I am not a SEBI registered advisor. This discussion is just for educational purpose, the insights that I gained from various other newspaper articles. Thanks for joining with me. This is Jay from EST, Economics, Stocks and Trades.